more. Almond flour bread. 6 eggs, 130 grams almond flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 57 grams butter, pinch of sea salt, quarter teaspoon cream of tartar. Preparation. Separate the eggs. In one bowl the white and the other bowl the yolk. In the white egg add cream of tartar, whisk or use a machine at low speed for 3 minutes, then high speed until the meringue has stiff peaks. Transfer them to another bowl while leaving about 1/3 behind. Add egg yolk to the meringue that you have transferred to another bowl. Add almond flour, baking powder and salt. Mix them well by whisk or machine. Start with low speed for 3 minutes. Then add butter and continue to mix until the butter is smooth. Then stop the machine and slowly by using spatula keep adding the 1/3 meringue which you left, and keep mixing until everything is mixed well. Pour the mixture into a X4 loaf pan. Hold the pan slowly, keep dropping it onto the table a few times to remove the air and to make the mixture be on same level. Neat and soft. Bake for 30 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, use skewer to make sure it's fully cooked. Let it cool. Then cut into the size you like. Follow us for more.